Okay, so can I start, all of you? Mm. So we'll do another question today about the geometric mean, right? So we started one question yesterday, right? So let us go for another question for finding geometric mean. Okay, find the GM for the following data. Find the geometric mean for the following data. Okay, so in tabular form, right? So the question goes like this. This is suppose the monthly income. This is suppose monthly income, and this is suppose number of families. So let us take the number like 8,275, 6,000. Okay, uh, 6,725, 4,875. Then suppose 3,3095, and suppose 4,750. Okay, suppose these are the monthly incomes in rupees. In rupees for some families. Then suppose the number of families here is 4, 8, then 10, suppose 12, and suppose it is 14, 15 suppose. Okay, so these are the families. Now we need to calculate the geometric mean for this data, and while writing the formulas that day in the last class, you must have seen okay, so before that, this is your xi and this is your fi frequency. So what you need to do, as I told you many a times, statistics, the formula says actually what we need to find out. Yes or no? So if you see the formula that I've written for this, the geometric mean formula is summation of I is equal to 1 to n. Then here fi log xi will be there, divided by summation of fi, and all of this whatever we'll get it at finally. For this we need to find the anti-log. Yes or no? For this we need to find the anti-log. So anti-log of this, anti-log of log. Okay, so whatever we'll get it from this, we need to find the anti-log. Now that means, now as I said, the formula, just observe and let's see what to find out. We will find out log of xi of every number, the way we found yesterday. Then we'll multiply f with every log of xi every time. Then those numbers will sum up. We will also sum up the total frequencies, and whatever we'll get it by dividing this by this, that anti-log we will find out. Okay, so fi log xi. Now that means you have to see, this is your xi, so log of xi we need to find out. And whenever this log of xi is ready, what we'll do? Fi we will be multiplying with log of xi. This is what we need to do. Is it okay? So can you try log now? Okay, so let us try log of all these xi's. Right, now log of xi means this first one will be log of 8275. Okay, let me write here log of 8275 we are going to find out. Similarly, we will find out, you can directly do it. I'm just writing so that you all can understand. The log of 6725. Then we will find out log of, what is that, 4875. Then we will find out log of 3095. And then we will also find out log of 4750. Actually, we should write directly. I'm just writing so that you all understand. Right. Now, yesterday we discussed in length how to find log of this. How many digits are there in each? How many digits are here? 4. What will be the characteristic? Means before decimal part? 3. Since there are 4 digits, those who are new in the class, since there are 4 digits in each, actually before the decimal we think. Now there is no decimal, means decimal is here, right? So before decimals we have 4 digits, and hence we have to take 1 less than that. So 4 minus 1, how much it will be? 3. So it will be 3 point. Everything will be 3 point, 3 point, 3 point, 3 point, 3 point. Okay, one less than these numbers. Done now? So this, because there are 4 digits, therefore one less, 4 minus 1, 4 minus 1, right? So now we got it 3 point. I hope it is this thing, 3 point. Done. Now let us go to the log table. And log table we also discussed. You see, in 82th row, 7 we have to see. We see the number 7. Then this 5 is the mean difference. Yes or no? And mean difference, whatever we'll get it, we'll add it. So I just do one number today, 8275. First number, 8275. Just a minute. So yes, 8275. If I try to find 8275, okay, 8220. The number is, look at this, the number is 8275. Log of this number you are trying. So what you have to do, 82 to 80, in the row of 82, 7th column you need to see. So 82 is this one. Okay, log table. Then, and log table is there already. 7th column, this is the 7th column. So 7th column, this number is 9175. Am I correct, all of you? So we got it how much? 9175, 9175. With this, the last digit 5. So this 5 we have to see in the mean difference. You all see this is 5. Correct, no? So in 5, the mean difference is how much? 3. So what it will be? 9175, and this, for this 5th row, this number is 3. So that mean difference to be added. So 9178. So this will be your decimal part. So 9, please repeat, 9178. 9178. Try the rest of the numbers, all of you. Is it okay, those are online? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So find similarly all the log of these numbers. You also multiplied, right? So can you tell me the values? 3 point, this second one? Anybody? 8277. Correct, no? Then next? 6879. Okay. Then 4907. And the last one? 6767. So these are log values. Done now? Now these are log values. Now you know already what to do. Fi into log xi. So this is your log xi, this is your fi. These two columns you need to multiply. These two columns you need to multiply. I hope you can do it. This is 4 into 3.19. Yes or no? So 4 into 3.9178. Please help me. How much it is? I think 15 point something. 15.67. 1. This one. Okay. Let us find it in 4 digits only. So 6712. 6712. So keep finding for all this. Done now? Got it? Anti-lock, just wait up. This last part was a little bit, this part we will explain again today. Anti-lock. These numbers, can you add these numbers? Same, no? Okay. 180.2100. So I'm writing these numbers from him. So this is 30.6216. 6216. then 36.879. 36.879. 41 point. Is it 41? 41.88. Sorry, 8884. Then we have 55.1505. Then now it is almost done. You all know by the formula we need to add up this column. Okay, which is 180, which is 180.2107. Done now? Now, as by the formula, as I told you, the formula is everything in statistics. So we got fi xi, fi log xi, summation also we did. Now you have to find this summation of fi. That means the frequencies. So these numbers we need to add. So their sum will be, so summation of this, so it will be summation of fi. It is 49. Getting it? So table is ready. All right. Okay. Just wait for the anti-lock. Okay. There was slightly one mistake in yesterday's table. So done. Is it fine, all of you? Now done now? Is it okay? So can I go to the can I put the values now? Okay. Now if I go to the formula, so since this is the table, these are the values. We will go to the formula now. The formula is already here. So we just need to put the values of, this is your anti-log. This is your anti-log. This number is 180.2107, 180.2107 and divided by 40, divided by 49. Okay, so this is your anti-log of, those who divided, please tell me, 3.677. Okay, if there are more digits, then we'll round it off to 4. All right, round it off to 4. Okay. Now one observation, yesterday's my explanation. So slightly it was wrong. I started from 3. Should I have been started from 6. It was from here. Okay, so we should do it for 6, 7. I think you said me this. So I overlooked that. So it should be 6. We need to see the decimal portion. 3 will tell you after how many digits we should put the decimals. Okay, so I'm sorry for that. This is now we will see 6, 7, 7, 8. So we will see decimal part only. So where to see 6, 7, 7, 8. So let's go to the anti-log table now. 0.67, right? What a number? 0. The decimal one you say first. How much? 0.67. How much? 0.6778. So this is the number. The decimal part only. Right. Now 0.67 here. 0.67. Then 78. 0.67 is this. Then 7. So this is your 7. So here it is. Is it correct? 4753? Okay. So 4753 plus mean difference. So 0.677 I did. 0.677 I did. Now the mean difference 8. So this is your 8. Here the number is 9. Right? So you just add it. It will be 4762. I think you don't have doubt in this. Okay. So 4762. Done now? Is it okay, all of you? So this is the number. Is similar. Just from point we need to do. Yesterday I counted from the before this digit as well, but actually the decimal part. So 0.67, then 7th column. This part is similar. Then we got 4753, and the last digit is 8. So 8 mean difference. The 9 you need to see. So sorry, in 8 you got the number 9. So added. It is 4762. Now 4762 is here. 4762. Now tell me how to find. What about the decimal one? After how many digits? So what is this number here? 3. So since it is 3, so we have to do one more than that. That means how much? 4. So 4. Now 4 means 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Since there is no digit after that, so 0.0 actually. But after point, what is that? The zeros are meaningless. So this is only your required answer. Okay, done? Can you try one? Not this. I'll give it in table. What is that? In the class intervals. Okay, done? Okay, is it fine? All right. So, right to the last question from ZM. Can I go to the next? Okay. Right, number 3. Is it okay? Those are online?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So I'm writing down another question here. This one you'll try yourself. Everything. Okay. Question 3, same. Find ZM. Find ZM for the following. Find ZM for the following data. Okay. So these are classes. These are the classes. These are frequencies. So suppose it's from 0 to 1500. Okay. Suppose 1500 to 3000. Suppose 3000 to 4500. Okay. 4000. So classes are increasing by 1500. 4500 to suppose 6000, and suppose 6000 to 7500. Right. Then frequencies. Suppose here 8. Suppose this is 12. Suppose this is 15. Suppose this one is 11, and suppose it is 7. Now formula is same. What was not there in this? What is not there? So these are F, as you all know. This will be your Fi. So it is fine. But are they Xi? No. First you have to find Xi. I hope you all know that. So tell me the columns. What do you have to do? What will you find out here? Xi. Say next. Same formula. Then what? No, Xi will do it. Then columns. What? Then it should be log Xi. Yes, it will be log Xi. Then Fi multiplied by log Xi. And rest of the things are same. Only the difference here is this Xi you need to find out. And you all know how to find out Xi. Lower plus upper divided by 2. Okay. Can you try this? Try this. This is the last question. I'll start the next topic after this. Okay. Find Xi, then log Xi of all these numbers. Try to say the last value. Okay, so you try. I'm writing the next topic, 5.3. All of you do, huh? If you don't get, those who are online, you all try. If you don't get, you ask me the doubts. So after that only you write this. Any doubts? Okay. Is it fine? Okay. Got it. Final. Okay. Summation of F. Is it okay? Yeah. Getting now. That's values. Got it? We got a final answer? How much it is? The GM, finally. 303036. Is it correct, all of you? Online students, is it okay? According to them, this is the correct one?
Yes.
Here, correct, no? Okay. All right. So with this, your GM is over. Harmonic mean was already done. Arithmetic mean was already done. So let's start the next one. This one you got it probably before. Okay. If not, it is the easy one. It's not difficult. So it will be model 5.3, standard deviation and variance. Write it. Looks difficult, but concept is very easy. Okay. So start this, all of you. Write the formulas. I'll start it now. Write it. Can I start? Okay, right. Write the formulas. 5.3. Page number 305. 305. Page number. So this symbol is called sigma. Okay, sigma square for variance and sigma for standard deviation. Okay. Which one? 1 by n. This one? N. Small letter n. Okay. So we'll do 3 examples of each type: discrete, grouped, and discrete but with frequencies. Okay, so you'll understand it's not difficult. And both of the, finding of both doesn't come, only one comes, either the variance or the standard deviation. Okay, so 3 questions if I do, it will be clear. This is an easy one. Okay, as I said before, whatever the formula, it defines actually what to find out, how to find out. So let's start. It's a variance. It's square. Sigma square is the 1 by n is the total number of observations by summation of xi minus x bar. So this x bar here is mean. Okay, and then this particular value we need to find out, xi minus x bar, it whole square to be done. And whatever answers we get in that column, the totaling must be done, and just we put in this. Now, standard deviation is the square root of variance. Supposing variance you got 25, then standard deviation will be just the square root. So it will be like 5. So the square root of variance is only the standard deviation. Now the same formula is here. You see everything is same other than what? Since frequencies will be coming with this, so we just have to multiply fi, and n means total number of observations. Here total number of observations will be summation of fi. Done now? So let's start 3 examples. Right. Question 1. Find SDN variance. Find standard deviation and variance for the following. Find standard deviation and variance for the following data. Okay. So I take an example here. Suppose, all right, this is an easy number like 6, 7, 10, 12, 13, 4, 8, 12. Okay. So you're trying to find the standard deviation and variance for this. Okay. So if you observe the formula here, is it done? So these are numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 observations. That means number of observation n is 8. Now if you once observe the formula, you see the beforehand, first of all you go for finding variance and standard deviation. You should know what is x bar. X bar is what? The mean. Okay. So for this, since it is a discrete data, let us first of all find x bar. And I hope all of you know x bar, how to find out. Sum of all the numbers. Yes or no? Sum of all the numbers 6, 7, 10, 12, 13 plus 4 plus 8 plus 12 divided by 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Let me know if decimal comes. I'll change one of the number. No decimal, no? Because I'm trying to explain the topic on a calculation to anyway do it. How much total? 72. That means like 72 by 8. So 9 is this. All right. So we got the mean. The mean is sum of all these numbers divided by this. Therefore, now look at the formula once. Okay. This one we'll do very directly. The formula is variance sigma square equal to 1 by n. So n will again go to the denominator, summation of xi minus x bar whole square. So look at this. It will be, therefore, first of all, let us find out sigma square, which is variance, right? So, therefore, variance sigma square equal to, denominator will be once again, n. N means how much? Okay. Do I need to write the formula? It's fine. Denominator is this. Okay. Now what you have to do, it is like xi minus x bar whole square. What does it mean? Xi is this one, 6. X1. X bar how much? So it will be 6 minus 9 how much? Minus 3. Let me write one line. I could have done directly, or you can also do it. So that then square of that. I repeat, x1. So 6 minus 9. 6 minus 9, then whole square. Okay. So the next number. 7 minus 9. So it's summation. So 7 minus next one. 7 minus 9 is minus 2 whole square. Then every time from here this mean to be subtracted. 10 minus 9. 1 square. You can do very directly, huh? Because you need to save time. 12 minus 9, 3 square. Then 13 minus 9. 13 minus 9 is 4, so 4 square. 4 minus 9, minus 5 square. 8 minus 9, minus 1 square. And then 12 minus 9, 3 square. This much only. Alright? So just you go for the answers, like it is 8, this is 9 plus 4 plus 1 plus 3 plus 4 square is 16. Then this is 25, this is 1 and this is 9. Sum up and divide by this, that will be your required standard deviation. Okay, sorry, that will be your required variance. Now, let me go for standard deviation. Tell me, if it comes in decimal, you can write it in decimal to 2-3 places. Huh? Got it? You can write in decimal, huh? At least 2-3 decimals you'll write it after rounding off. How much? 9.22. After 5, what is there? Not there, no? Okay. So it is 9.25. Done? So this is your variance, 9.25. Therefore, standard deviation, sigma, and sigma will be just square root of this number. It will be 3 point something, and you can use the calculator for that. Okay. So as I told you, this ordinary calculator will be allowed. So square root of 9.25 you can find using calculator. So it will be 3 point something. How much? Okay, maybe 3.04. After 4, what is there? So you can keep it in this 3.04. Done? Is it okay? Fine now? Any doubt? Huh? Any question? Is it alright, all of you? Okay. So this is the standard deviation. Okay. So now let me it was originally for discrete data. So for discrete data. So this one is done. Now I am going to do for discrete data only, but there will be frequencies. Okay. So let's try the second type, and then the group. Group 1 you will be able to do it once you understand the next one. Okay. Any question? Okay. Anybody, any doubt? No. No, then let's start the next question. Number 2. Find variance, and both doesn't come, either variance comes or standard deviation, but one surely comes in exam. Find variance and SD for the given data. Okay, standard deviation and this you need to find out. 8 point? What is which one is 8.5? Totally was wrong. Oh, it was 68. Okay, let us correct it. Huh? Oh, sorry. It will be 9. But is it correct? Okay, I wrote it wrong. It is correct now? Okay, fine then. So write another example. This time xi and fi. So xi xi and fi. Okay, so 92 3, 93 2, 97 3, 98 suppose 2, 102 6, 104 suppose 3, and 109 also suppose 3. Now, what is there? The data is not in group. Data is not in group, individual data, but there are frequencies. That means that we discussed. This 92 is there how many times? 3 times. 93 there 2 times. So like that. But frequency wise it is there. Now, if you observe this frequencies, the formula having frequencies, this is the formula having frequencies. So it is the same thing. Xi minus everything is same just now what you have done, but that fi will be coming here. Yes or no? And total will be summation of fi. Now, so once again you need to find x bar. Otherwise we can't do that. So once again you need to find x bar. Now how to find mean for this? Tell me. How to find mean for this data? Which formula will use? Mean, there are many formulas, but this is already what? Discrete data, not class wise. So which formula will be using? The easiest formula will be which one? Yes. Say. The easiest formula will be summation of? Yes, fi xi divided by summation of. So this is the easiest one for finding mean for discrete data like this. Now again, so although this is not there in the formula for variance and this, but since we need to find x bar, that one, and then we'll be putting here. So to find x bar, we have to use this formula. So you need to get the product of fi xi. Try to do it. Here you find fi x product, fi multiplied by xi. So here you find fi multiplied by xi. Done. Please do first. So this one will multiply. 92 into 3, so it will be 276. 18, correct theta if I am wrong. So 186, then 21, 27, 29, then 6, 196, then 612, then this will be 312, this will be 320. Are this correct? Then, so what you have to do? Summation of fi. Summation of fi, you find it. And this side you find out summation of fi xi. Find this. How much? fi xi is 2200. Fi. How much? 22. Now, what you'll do? You will find mean right now. I don't have space, so I am going to the next base. But mean you will be finding here only. Getting it? Just below. So I don't have space. So what I am going to do? I just write in the next page. So x bar you find it below. So x bar is summation of fi xi divided by summation of fi. So you got this number. Also it's easy one, yes or no? 2200 by 22. 2200 by 22. Is it 100? Okay. Now, actual requirement is this to be put in the formula. So x bar we got it 100. Now with this x bar, let us go for the column. What it should be? Tell me. Xi. Try to say xi minus x bar. Yeah, x bar. But let us do it together. Then square. Yes or no? So we are doing together. Now x bar just now you got 100. So for example now 92. X bar is how much? X bar. 100. 100. Yes or no? So 92 minus 100 will be minus 8. Minus 8 square directly. 64. Okay. Let's try. 93. X bar is 100. Right? 93 minus 100 will be 7. So square will be 49. So 97 minus 100 will be minus 3. Square will be 9. 98 minus 100 will be 2, minus 2, square will be 4. 102 minus 100 will be 2, so square will be 4. 104 minus, that is 100, x bar is 100, yes or no? So 4 square is 16. And this is 109 minus 100 will be 9 square, so 81. Do you need to add this? No, of course. What to do? With this now, final line, fi xi minus x bar whole square. So you have to multiply these columns. You have to multiply, do it. These columns you multiply, fi column and this column. So multiply and get the values here. Now if I do that now once again, correct it if it is wrong. So 3 into 64 will be 18. 192, is it correct? Okay. Then 2 into 49 will be 98. Then 3 into 9 is easy, 27. 2 into 4, 8. 6 into 4, 24. Alright. 3 into 16, 48. Then 3 into 81, 243. Am I correct? Is it everything is okay? Now we need to add this column. Now it will be summation of fi xi minus x bar whole square. Please add this. This is already added. This one is already ready. Just have to put in a formula. How much is this? This one is ready. We need this 640. Now everything is ready to get the standard deviation and variance. Now if you observe the formula here once, this was the formula. So I just show it here only. Okay, let me write. You will get confused. So this formula is here. We need to. So everything is ready. 22 here, then 640. So therefore, sigma square, the variance is here summation of fi. This will be summation of I equal to 1 to n. Of course, you can write. If you don't write, doesn't matter. So it will be fi xi minus x bar whole square. So you got this number 200? 240? Sorry, 640. And then by 22. Say how much? 29.09. Okay. So this is your sigma square means variance. So the variance is ready. Okay. Therefore, SD means what? Sigma square root of 29.09. Get the values. 29. Is the calculator? So it will be 29.5.3 after 9. 3935. So this 3935. So this 3 you can write as 4. That's the answer. Is it okay, all of you? Done now? So this is the concept. We will do one more question of standard deviation and variance where we will have classes. But actually you understood only. If classes are there, what we will do it? We will find a xi and do it. So if classes are there, just a minute, you look at this. Here you see, for group data, formula is same. So just the way in one of the this question, the way I found xi, first you will find xi and get the standard deviation. So it is similar. Can you do if I don't do that question? Okay then. So we are not going to do more question on standard deviation. So this is the answer for today. We'll continue in the next class. Okay? Thank you. Thank you all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.